Alright, so I'm finally getting around to installing this FSWERKS Strut Bar. It's been sitting on my shelf, looking pretty this whole time, and kind of wanted to get some other things taken care of with the car, but it's in a pretty good place now, so I feel like I can get this installed. Thank you, Eric, for sending this. He's been a great person to communicate with, got a focus project of his own, making a few videos, Eric Anding, so check him out. But anyway, I'm super stoked to get this thing installed. All you have to do to get this installed is take these two 13mm bolts out, those two and those two, then put the bar down and then reinstall the bolt or the nuts. Super easy deal. And then they have a torque spec for it too. Alright, so now hopefully everything's all in the right place and this fits in nicely. Beautiful. Alright, well there you have it. It's installed. That doesn't really get any easier than that. And it looks really nice. Obviously it looks a lot better than most of the engine, but nice shiny parts are always nice to have. And got that thing bolted down. I was kind of worried it was going to kind of impede access to the back, but it doesn't really look like it's going to stay out of the way. The most thing that it would cause problem with is like maybe getting to those bolts for your air filter. There's one there and one there. So other than that, pretty much a non-factor. So I'm excited to give her a shot, see if it makes a difference. Well, thanks, Eric, for sending that. Appreciate you doing that. That was really nice. So you probably could have easily thrown it on Facebook Marketplace or something, and I just appreciate you sending that. So finally, we got some cool parts on this thing, not just rebuilt junk. So anyway, thank you for watching, and thanks, Eric, for sending it.